Hello everyone. Today I am going to change the front gasket of this Hoover machine. It's Hoover 8 kg. There's a hole in the gasket. I will show you today how to remove the old one. They are not very difficult. They are quite easy actually, I will say. Outer seals are held by this plastic tension, and there's the inner seal which is earlier in old machines and maybe in new other machines also, they are held by a metal seal which has a screw on the side which you need to unscrew. For that you have to remove the top panel. Removing top panel is not very difficult. It's just, you can see, and there are 2 or 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. When you remove them, you just have to slide it out. I will show you. Just let it go. I have loosened it a little bit earlier so that it becomes easier for me. So once we are done, I will show you how to remove it. Just you have to pull little bit up and it comes out like this. So this panel has got a fixed screw here which has got this type of lock. It goes in, then you push in it, and this is that's a Hoover model number. So the machine was perfectly fine. For that you need to, see, you can see, you can see the seal. So this seal is held here. I think you can, a little bit difficult to make out. So this, you can see it's held here, and I think it's a spring. You can see this, if you can. Yeah, that's a spring one. I've got this flathead screwdriver. Just pop it over somewhere, just move it around and just start sliding it. Comes out. So once this is done, I will leave the seal inside, keep it safe, and we have to just pull it down, settle in like this, push it inward. You see it from here. You can see that spring here. That's here. It's held by the spring. So hopefully it's not very difficult to take it out, because spring can easily, I will just in the one of the corners, I think you can see, I just held it like that because it can expand. I will just push it out. That there's a spring in it which expands. So this is the damaged one, which has got a perforation in this. Ordered this from eBay, and this, it says a part number and thing, but there was a model number on the website which you can check before you buy. Because different machine has got different seals. So this part goes at the top always, because I think there's a drain at the bottom. Here there's a drain which should start putting this thingy first. Start putting in. So I will start from the top. The one side goes, this goes inside, and this where the seal. This is how it is. This goes inside. This is outside. So, and we put the seal here, so it grabs it tightly. The water is not leaked, and same with the outside. This side goes in, and this over the top, and then the seal. Time. First put the inner side, and then starting will be a little bit difficult. Once it goes in, my seal is all set. The inner side, inner seal. So I will check once if all is settled from everywhere. Yes, I will push my hand in. Let's feel it's quite tight, so it's not going to come out even if you do any. Just you have to check that all settled. You don't need to see with the naked eye, but still you can check if you want. Right. So it's nicely secured all the way around. What I can see. So the next thing is I took this spring out in between. Let's put it on. Let's put the inner spring. This inner tension of. So first slide it in. Show you. So this is the rubber seal, so it will go here in this. Let's do it. Seal is all set and it has been, I hope I am able to record because so it has settled there. I have to push it with my hand. So it is easy just pushing a spring in place, and it has, you can see it has settled nicely. I think you can see it's just in between the rubber. It has settled. So the inner seal is done. Let's put the outer seal. So I will start from here because this is the most difficult part. It has got a hinge next to it. So it goes in and out both basically. One part of it goes outside and one stays in. Give it a proper seal. I think it's needing a little bit of making. Nicely settled. So the plastic seal comes and pulls it tight. So it has got this thingy. It slides in. If you push, it goes in and locks it. So the most difficult part will be to slide it in here near the hinge. I think I will use a screwdriver to make some space. I don't think I will be able, or I put some oil or something so that it goes in. I will use what we use today because it evaporates after a while, so it will help me push in easily because being a blunt object to do this screwdriver is very old, and it's don't take anything sharp, it can perforate. Almost there. That's it. So let's put it in position. So this will come here. I hope you can see. Bring the camera a little bit near. So it will slide in. I hope you can hear that noise clicking. Now I need a plier to just bring them all done, and I will put the top bit back. It's easy. I hope you can see it now. So align it. Once it aligns, it should go. It should slide in. That's it. Now put 3 screws at the back. That's it. All done. Thank you for watching.